If you want to know how I went from buying junk cars to driving this beast, I have one word for you. Advertising. I used to advertise my business in a local print media and had to share the page with many others, doing the exact same thing I was doing. So I decided to try something else. I tried putting my ad on the back of a box truck. The company Small Business Bang offers this service. My business took off for nearly the same price I was paying for print advertising. I now get dozens of calls per day, up from a few per week. Thanks to Small Business Bang, my business is taking off. If the advertising you are using is not getting the results you want or expect, call Small Business Bang. They have a solution for every small business. 70227244435 or visit smallbusinessbang.com.